Alright. Waiting on WXJ93 to stop being slow and to test. So, before they do test, let's go over a few things. First things first, this is back out. This is only going to be back out for this test because no school. The R1650C sounds a lot better now and has its original back again. The 1630A no longer has a cracked screen, and now it has an RGB backlight.
To 15 miles an hour with gusts.
Obviously, when the viewing angles aren't really good because the screen came from an R1630A. But in general, Recon screens aren't really that good for viewing angles either way. Oh, well, behold, faceplate. 1630B now has a faceplate, and it has a new back. Still waiting on a new front, though, unfortunately. And yes, I made some room for the high-low switch. And yeah, that's not too much. In the closet, the broken 1630A is in there. The WX100's back, but I will be making a community post later regarding the WX100. I have a Battlefield UV13 now. Haven't completely set it up yet.
The nearshore marine forecast for waters with.
I still need to get our Skywarn frequency programmed in. And yeah, that's basically it. 400 is gonna have some work done to it here soon because its warning light gave out again, as usual. And yeah, that's basically it. So pretty much, I just used a broken R1630A to pretty much repair 3 different recoms. Yeah. And then, yeah, there'll be updates later regarding to this thing right here if it doesn't go off. And you guys are late as fucking hell today. Yes, Cleveland's going first.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially no receivers are automatically activated for the hazard. Testing of these receivers.
Still waiting on these fucktards. Jesus!
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Palby, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Cridersville, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Rest of today, mostly sunny this late morning and early afternoon, then becoming partly cloudy. Cold with highs around 20. Southwest winds around 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 10 below late this morning. Tonight, mostly cloudy and warmer. Near steady temperatures around 20. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Highs in the upper 20s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, cloudy. A chance of snow in the evening, then snow after midnight. Lows 15 to 20. West winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming north after midnight. Chance of snow 90%. Friday, snow, cold with highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of snow 90%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of snow showers. Cooler with lows 5 to 10 above. Saturday, partly cloudy. Cold with highs 15 to 20. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 5 above. Sunday, mostly sunny. Cold with highs in the low.
These fucking radios are not wanting to activate. Let's see. You're probably the only excuse. You're clear. You're clear. You're clear. Seriously. Let's see. You're clear. Of course.
15 miles an hour.
Clear. I swear to God with these fucking WR100s and Radio Shacks.
Special receivers are activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Savannah, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodland, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Glasgow, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Pauley, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage
I'm gonna have to take a look at you.
www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Know a Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming. Now here is the forecast. Wind chill advisory.
Okay, I think you're fucked. Again. I'm gonna have to take a look at you, because that's clear enough to activate. And yeah, besides that, all the other radios I put on activated. You went off on the second header. Of course he did. Alright. Alright. So yep, I'm gonna test you and find out why you didn't go off. And I'm probably gonna try and do some finagling around with this one. Yeah.